And here's our ginataang tilapia with pechay.
It's really easy to cook. It's fast, no? Naku, may natirang konti. May natira para sa akin. Sarap! Hi, I'm Richard Gomez and welcome to Goma at Home. Today we are preparing a fish dish with pechay. Yung cook namin sa bahay, sabi niya, sir, may malaking tilapia sa palengke if I want daw. Sabi ko, sige, kuha ka. And then, sabi ko, lutuin natin yun mamaya with the coconut cream. No? Tapos lagyan natin ng konting luya. Tapos a little chili para medyo maanghang siyang konti. Then, yung bagong harvest natin na pechay. We'll get our skillet. Initin natin to. Gagawin ko, i-fry muna natin to before natin lutuin siya dun sa tono or coconut cream that we have here. So, yung coconut cream, ito, it's really pure, no? Na coconut cream. I love coconut cream. Sarap. Mag-fry tayo ng isda natin. Goodie. Okay. A little more. Okay, good. Painitin natin siya. And then yung isda natin, putulan natin siya dito. Lagyan siya ng slit para maganda yung luto niya. Yan. So, kahit dalawa lang pwede na. Yan. Okay. Para-asilan natin yun mamaya. Good. Tsaka alam nyo maganda bakit natin nilalagyan ng hiwa dito. Para mas mabilis maluto yung loob ng fish. And then second, pag may sauce na siya, mabilis yung pumasok yung sauce sa loob, tapos malasa siya. So we'll put in siguro 3 or 4 of this fish. Let's go. Okay. Season this with salt. Yan. Okay. Tinagyan asin, so medyo puputok ng konti ito. Okay, there you go. Okay, ito natin yung isda natin. Yes. Yan, dalawa. Okay. Let it cook. We'll work on our luya. Alam nyo, yung luya nakakaiyak din to. Pag ginaganyo mo siya, tapos tumalsik sa mata mo, nakakaiyak, matapang din. Malakas. Slice this na yan. Yan lang, pino lang. Put in a lot. Para malinam na ang ating sauce. This one, okay, there you go, that's good. Now prepare our onions, okay? Hindi kailangan na pino. No, just like that. Okay. That's it. At this point, ikutin natin ito isda natin. Good. Good. Nice. Okay, let me work on my garlic. May nagbabadyang ulan Sana wag mulan. So luto na yung dalawang tilapia natin. Good na. Nice. So, goodie. Okay. Okay. Good. 1 and 2. Nice. What I'll do, ihanda ko na to. Initin ko na siya. Ito yung sili natin. Yung sili hindi na kailangan putulin. No? This one, it's just for taste. And then, lagyan natin ng siling pula. Ito, for spice. Okay? Depends on how spicy you want your food to be. Actually, isa lang. For this, medyo may bite na. Pero masarap to pag medyo manghang. So, dalawahin natin siya. Yan. See? And we're almost ready. Plus our coconut cream. But habang hinintay na siya maluto, gusto ko nang tirahin itong coconut cream na to. At talaga, masarap talaga yung coconut cream. I remember nung bata pa ako, sumasama ko lagi sa lola ko sa palengke. Pag bumili ka ng gata, ginagawa nila, kinakamay di ba sa bahay, ginagawa mo. Hirap talaga nun, pinipiga mo eh. Malaki yung muscles mo dito, kagaganon. Pero ngayon, iba na, when you buy this sa market, nilalagay nila sa parang stockings. Tapos meron silang pang-ipit, ginadjack nila na gano'n. Humihigpit, lumalabas lahat ng cream siya. Very efficient na yung paggawa ng coconut cream. Nabilis na. Okay, balikan natin yung fish. Beautiful. Nice. Yeah, good. Turn it off. And then isda natin. Ganda oh. Goodie. We're going to move this here. And we're ready to cook. Let's heat it up. Lagyan natin siya ng konting oil. Just a little oil, just like that. Para hindi lang siya masunog. And then we'll put in our onions. Nice. Yan. Very good. Good, good. Then we'll put in our garlic. We'll put in our ginger. We'll put in our chili. Yun, lahat. Nilagay na natin lahat doon. And then we'll just mix it a little. Okay. Just a little. Good. And then make a bed. Yan, make a bed. Bed of vegetables. Yan. So, dyan natin ilalagay sa ibabaw yung ating tilapia. Nice. May space pa ba? Doon pa, tagilid. Yun, pag ganun. Good. Sakto. Okay. And then, lagyan natin yung ating coconut milk, coconut cream. Just like that. Just like that. Naku, may natirang konti, may natirang konti. May natira para sa akin. May natirang konti. Konti lang. Yan. Yan lang. Put some salt. Pepper. Yan. Okay. Buhos natin dito. Yan. Some curry powder. Yan. Para may touch of curry siya. Hindi siya boring ba. Yan. Ganun lang. Nice. Can smell bango kagad yan. Sarap. Ito pa ako. Hinaan natin yung fire para hindi masunog yung sauce natin kasi very thick eh. So what we can do is add a little water para hindi lang masunog yung sauce natin. So add a little water lang. And then once everything's cooked, then mag-blend in lahat. Even the fish, lahat, no? Yung sauce sa fish. Mapatay na natin yan. Lalagyan natin yung petchay natin. Okay, leave it there. Let's simmer for about 15 minutes. And then we're done. Okay. Ganda ng petchay, oh. Bagong harvest. Itong petchay, I'll take this out. Putulan siya na medyo maliit. Yan, ganyan lang. Liit lang konti. Yan. Yun. That's it. So ito na yung final na ingredient na ilalagay natin, no? Check on the fish. Bango. Humuta ay. Let's see kung okay na ba siya. Goody. Goody. Make sure na hindi nasusunog yung ilalim because it's cream, no? Ang daling masunog yan. Can you smell it? No? Fried sauce. It's a wrap. Okay. 5 minutes. Let's check on the fish. Ang tawag pala dito eh, bracer. Tumawag kami sa Le Creuset. Sabi ko, what do you call this? Sabi ni Le Creuset, that is called, sir, a bracer. Okay. Sige. Thank you. Wow. Mot. Really good. Then, lalagyan lang ito dito. Sa babaw. Dun. Yeah. Let's let it cook. Five minutes, and then we'll serve. Good. Let's check on our fish. Tignan natin kung maganda na yung luto natin. Wow! Saka, pagbukas mo pa lang, oh, ang bango na niya. Sarap! Sarap na amoy, no? So remember, we braised our fish. So ito, you have to expect na delicate yung fish natin. Meaning, madali siyang, may posible madali siyang madurog. So we have to be very careful. Okay? Nice. And this one. Okay, here's two. Beauty. There you go. Kunin natin sauce. Lagyan dito. Pechay. Ganda ng color na, no? ng curry.
And here's our ginataang tilapia with pechay.
Let's try this. I'm used to eating kasi ano, yung tilapia na ano lang, yung crispy. So gusto ko yun with red rice. Yep.
Parang yung social yung tilapia, no? Social talaga ako.
Parang naging high-end. High-end tilapia. In English, it's called St. Peter's fish. No? Mabait na isda to. Masarap kasi yung gata. Nag-oil-oil na siya. And then yung pechay. Wow.
Really good. I love this. This dish, I'll rate this mga 7 out of 10. Really good. Tsaka alam mo, ang ganda nito. It's so economical. Ang mura ng 1 kilo ng tilapia. Mura ingredients niya. Yung coconut cream, no? Yung tono. Magkano lang to. Tapos yung pechay. Well, in our case kasi, hinarvest lang natin dito sa garden natin. It's really easy to cook. It's fast, no? So in less than mga total prep time, 30 to 45 minutes, you're done. You can serve this right to your guests and your family. Oh, thank you so much for joining me right here in Gomato. Please like, share, subscribe, and press on the notification bell para alam nyo kapag may tayong bagong video na palabas. Wonderful. Thank you for sharing your time with me. No? Do this in your own kitchen, share it with your family, enjoy it with your friends. I'll see you next time right here in Gomat Home. Goodbye.
Pag lagi mo kinakain to, diretso ka na sa langit. Sabi ni St. Peter, favorite mo pala ako, ah. Sige, lusot ka in the gates of heaven. Go!
Sarap!